my name is Deandra. I am a freshman here at Binghamton University. I just love to say that Top Hat has been great when it comes to in-class lectures that has allowed me to be able to just answer questions and assess my learning of what I know and what I'm not really too sure of. When I have assigned text and assigned videos while I'm reading, and there's certain things I'm not really too sure of, I'm able to highlight it and be like, I don't really understand this, so I'm able to come back to it. I love the AI chat. It's really good at allowing me to just be able to like ask any questions that I'm not too sure of when it comes to the textbook and the readings. And I would just like very interactive. There's like polls to matching. Like there's so much stuff that you could do in class that makes it more interesting and more fun. And that's what I love about it. And learning is not boring. It doesn't have to be boring. It definitely be fun and interactive.